In this snooker coaching video, I will show you some parts of online snooker coaching on Skype, how I work with a snooker student from Myanmar. In the coaching session, we talked mostly about cue action, follow through, elbow, shoulder position, cue delivery. Student is in the beginner stage and he needs to have some fundamentals to keep moving forward and improve his snooker game up. Just want to remind you that every person is different. Body shape, personality, experience, age, snooker levels. So with each person I use slightly different approach to give best value for them as possible so they could improve their snooker game in the most effective way.
So it's too short, you know?
Yes.
So what you have to do is to push cue further, follow through. So just look. Longer, you know? Oh, the good players like Jed, Ronnie O'Sullivan, you know, Murphy has very good, nice follow through.
Yes.
Good. Okay. I'm just gonna show you my cue action.
Okay.
You see, when you are playing, usually you're stopping before the chest here.
Yes.
You see what the kind of right arm angle I have right now. So you have to stop before the chest here.
Yes.
And this is how you're gonna get follow through better. Because you're stopping here.
Yeah.
It's like a punching action. So this is why you cannot play some shots very smoothly.
Yes.
It is very important. Just remember every single shot. You can see, yeah?
Yeah, I can see.
And follow through. And this is how you're gonna get better reaction to the cue ball.
Okay.
Okay, first thing. Just wait a second. I'm gonna show you a short approach.
Got it.
Okay, so I'm standing for the right leg, and I'm putting my cue first, and then getting down. You see?
Okay. Yeah.
Again, I'm putting my legs first, cue. You see? I'm already here. Putting cue as close as possible to the cue ball, and then getting down with my chin and chest to the cue. My elbow is straight. It's not a rule. For some people it could be a little bit outside the right. For some people it could be a little bit to the left. But you have to find your own way, you know?
Yes.
So yeah, so have you understood everything what I said?
Okay, I want left eye is straight on.
Just wait a second, I just... Okay, I'm listening to you.
Bridge eye is straight on. No.
Bridge?
Bridge arm.
Because if you're gonna hold straight, you're gonna feel, I'm feeling pain right now in my arm. When I'm holding like this straight.
Yeah.
So just try to bend a little bit, not too much. Don't try to play like some players like this, you know, but just slightly, just for the balance.
Okay. Okay.
Now I'm gonna show you bridge hand, okay?
Okay.
You see, finger spread.
Yeah.
So this middle finger is straight with my arm, like this. And I have a nice V shape here.
Okay.
So when I'm putting a cue, so I'm putting a cue on this line like this, on these groups.
Okay.
Here. So Don't try to put your bridge hand like to other side, but just straight like my arm. You see my arm?
Yeah, I see.
And my wrist and my arm is at the same direction.
Okay.
Wait. You see?
Yeah.
Great. What kind of questions do you have right now? More.
I want to know how to hold shoe and I mean grip.
I grip, very easy.
Yeah.
You see my stick here?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm gonna go there. You see it? I'm holding
Yeah.
like a normal stick. And
Okay.
I'm not changing anything, like here.
Yeah.
Wait. I'm gonna show you better from here.
Any ideas and thoughts about this video? Please leave your comments below description box. Your comments helps our channel to grow and give you more and more value. Thank you. Until next time. If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.